YouTube channel. This is Shivangi from Team Skolaro. The ultimate goal of an educational institution is providing the right platform where students will be able to excel and reach closer to their career goals. And considering the competition, students and parents expect more from school nowadays. Parents not only expect higher grades but also want their children to have all-round development. So in today's video, we are going to look at 5 ways through which you can get the best results out of your education ERP software. Before moving ahead with the video, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe. Point number 1. Automatic attendance. Teachers require detailed student attendance report because student performance suffers when they miss their class. Attendance reports for all the students in a class cannot be generated manually. This is why many schools have started to integrate biometric attendance system with their ERP solution to streamline the attendance process. This means that teachers do not have to manually call out roll numbers or names of the students to mark their attendance. This saves the valuable time of both teachers and the students and ensures that teachers get a detailed attendance record of each student. So you know who the regulars and who are the chronic absentees. Teachers can then intervene and help these students to get back on track. Point number 2. Streamline Process. A school is required to do a lot of activities in order to improve the students' learning. The ERP solution helps to streamline all the processes in the institute. It helps to conduct exams remotely and create question papers online. Further, the system evaluates the student performance automatically, which eliminates the need of carrying out monotonous tasks by teachers. Moreover, streamlining admission processes, fee payment, and finance management reduces the need for human intervention in the institute's functioning. This helps to reduce faculty workload, which enables them to focus on teaching completely. The students learn better as the teacher analyzes their performance in exams along with regular activities and help them in better learning. Point number 3. Involvement of parents. Students will remain motivated when they receive support from both their teachers and parents. With the help of an ERP solution, parents can access everything from attendance to the grades and timetables of their child. They can view their ward's performance without anyone's support. And in any case, if any corrective action is required, the parent can confront the school or coach their children to perform well. Point number 4. Better communication. Teachers and parents need to communicate with each other regularly to stay on track with their child's progress. The school ERP system can be used to make the communication a lot streamlined between parents, teachers, and students. You can send out updates about school notifications through email, SMS, or even voice messages to students and parents. As a result, school administrators don't have to spend hours making phone calls and leaving messages for the parents. Last but not the least, performance reports. With the help of an education ERP software, you can integrate student management data with dashboard analytics. The dashboard analytics generate a variety of reports about individual student or a class as a whole. These detailed reports cover everything from student grades to classroom activities. These reports can be used by teachers to quickly analyze their students. They can then determine the student's strength and weakness. Teacher can work with their students to improve their performance once the problem area have been identified. Teacher can also use this report to see if their revised techniques are effective or not. So those were the ways to improve student performance using ERP software. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in the next video.